We all know the unfortunate truth of the 5 million innocent Uyghurs in concentration camps, the more than 500,000 innocent Uyghur children in residential schools, and the 71 years of oppression that have been happening in Central Asia, East Turkestan. My name is Mehliya Cetinkaya. I'm 14 years old, and currently my family lives under these situations. Now, there's estimated to be over just 1 million Uyghurs in the diaspora. Those Uyghurs in the diaspora fight every single day to bring attention and awareness to this mass genocide the world leaders keep choosing to ignore. The Uyghurs in the diaspora also live in glass bubbles on the tip of a desk, ready to shatter, tip over and shatter. And some of us do. Some of us shatter into 1 million pieces all over the world. Some people, like the world leaders, step on those pieces, those tiny shards of glass that pierce their skin. They ignore the pain and keep walking, leaving a trail of blood behind. The Uyghurs who shatter, they shatter because their worst nightmare, the truth they've been avoiding, their biggest fear has become their reality. Their loved one either is in a concentration camp or died in one. So we protest louder, have more meetings, sign more petitions, and yet they keep walking. I am 14 years old. I should be spending my time worrying about who to go to the mall with or what shoes to buy, yet I spend my time worrying if my family is dead or alive, worrying if that petition I posted on my Snapchat story has enough likes and signatures for the world leaders to even acknowledge us. These are not problems I should be having, yet I do. I shouldn't be at the adults' table. I should be at the kids' table, yet the adults keep talking over one another, ignoring one another, so I sit at the adults' table. The kid at the adults' table, hoping they'll listen to me, yet they don't. And some say, hey, you're a teenager, live your life like a normal teenager, don't worry about these problems. These are my problems too. How can I live my life like a normal teenager when so many millions of people are suffering? I can't live my life like a normal teenager if I know that there's millions in concentration camps. I can't live my life like a normal teenager if I spend my time worrying how to bring more awareness, how to get the world leaders' attention. So no, I can't live my life like a normal teenager, carefree, when the world is ignoring a mass genocide.